Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be telling you about how you can move an object in an image using Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. First I'm going to take a copy of the background layer. I'll be selecting this and dragging on the new layer. Now by selecting the upper layer, I'm going to use the patch tool. And now I'm going to select the object that I want to move. I'll be selecting this one. Now I'm going to select the area. And now the important thing, I'm going to right click on the patch tool, and here I'll be selecting the content aware move tool. Just click on this, and now I'm going to move this part here. It will ask you for the confirmation. Just hit OK, or you can click on this one, and there you go. And now you can see the object that was here is now moved to this place realistically. Now you can deselect this. You can see there is no sign that the object was here before. I'm going to show another example. I'll be just moving this part. Again, I'm going to use the patch tool by selecting this. And now I'm going to use the content aware move tool. And I'm going to place it here. Just hit OK or click on this. There you go. And there you go. Now you've seen the object. As you can see, this content aware move tool is very useful and it can be used to move objects from an image realistically. So if this video helps you, make sure to leave a like and also subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.